Everyone says you can build $10,000 websites with AI. Nobody shows you a single client who actually paid $10,000 for one. I'm going to build a website and show you the exact outreach messages that got me first 3 clients. Takes 20 minutes to build, takes 20 messages to sell. The website is the easy part. Finding someone to pay you $3,000 to $10,000 for it is the part that actually matters. 2 tools, that's it. At first, Claude Code. You need a Claude Pro subscription, $20 a month. Open VS Code, install the Claude Code extension, and you're done. If you already had a Claude Pro, your setup time is about 30 seconds. Second, Nano Banana 2. This is Google's image generation model. You can use it for free in Google AI Studio. The free tier gives you roughly 600 to 750 image generations per month, zero cost. Your total startup cost is $20 a month. That's the Claude Pro subscription. Everything else is free. I want to remember that number because it becomes important later when we talk about margins. The 3D scroll animation you just saw in the hook is built from the 2 images. That's the secret, 2 images. Image 1, the assembled product. Clean white background, 2K resolution. Here's a trick that most people miss. When you prompt Nano Banana 2, specify the resolution, generate a product photo by 2048 resolution. The sharpness difference between default and 2K is night and day. Image 2, the exploded version, same product, same angle, same lighting, but with all the parts separated and floating, like those product tear down photos you see on Apple's website. The key here is consistency between the 2 images. Feed Nano Banana 2 and reference photo of your first image when generating the second one. The model can maintain fidelity up to 14 objects in a single workflow, so your exploded view stays visually coherent with the assembled version. Cost for both images, $0 on the free tier. If you use the API, you're looking at 0.045 to 0.067 per image. We're talking about pennies. Now you have 2 images, assembled product, exploded product. Here's where it gets interesting. You take both images and upload them to an AI video tool. I used Killing 3.0. You set the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. The AI generates a smooth transition between them, a 3 to 5 seconds video of production rotating from assembled to exploded. That single video is the entire foundation of the 3D scroll effect. When a user scrolls down your website, the video plays forward. When they scroll up, it reverses. That's what makes it look like a $50,000 interactive 3D experience. It's a video playing in sync with the scroll position. If Killing 3.0 isn't available or is too slow, Runway ML and Pika can produce the same results. The concept is the same regardless of which tool you use. Start frame plus end frame equals transition video. This is the part that changed my mind about what's possible with AI coding. Drop the video file into Claude Code. Here's the prompt I used. Build a scroll-driven frame animation website using 3JS. The video plays forehead as the user scrolls down and reverses when they scroll up. Add a hero headline and a clean gradient background. Claude Code writes the HTML, CSS, and 3JS code. You watch it happen in real time. And I want to be honest here, the first version was not perfect. The scroll speed was off, the headline positioning was wrong, the background color looked like a hospital waiting room. That's normal. Don't expect a perfect first try. I have never gotten a perfect first try from any AI coding tool, and anyone who tells you they did is lying or editing out the iteration. Second prompt, slow down the scroll speed by 40%. Move the headline to center left and change the background to a dark gradient. Better. Third prompt, add a subtle parallax effect to the headline on scroll. Done. 3 prompts, maybe 8 minutes total. The result is a fully responsive website with a 3D scroll animation that looks like something an agency spent 6 weeks building. I'm not saying this replaces professional developers. I'm saying this replaces the $5,000 to $15,000 that local businesses can't afford to spend on a premium landing page. Vercel, one-click deploy from VS Code. Your site is live in about 60 seconds. Free tier works for personal projects. For client work, you need the Pro plan at $20 a month. Custom domain setup takes another minute if the client already has one. Here's your monthly operating cost. Claude Pro $20, Vercel Pro $20. Nano Banana 2 free, total $40 a month to run a web design service. $40 a month in and $3,000 to $10,000 per project out. That math should make you uncomfortable if you're still charging hourly. Write that number down. $40 a month, we'll need it in a minute. Before I show you how to sell this, let me show you why there are buyers. 1 in 4 local businesses still has no website at all. Among those that do have websites, nearly half have mobile loaded time over 3 seconds. That kills roughly 40% of their conversations. The demand is sitting right in front of you. On the supply side, 3JS freelancers charge $45 to $150 an hour. Agency project for this type of work takes 3 to 8 weeks. You just watched me do it in 20 minutes for $40 a month. The margin gap is enormous. Your target clients, restaurants, barbershops, dental offices, real estate agents, fitness studios, any local service business that needs a premium landing page. Not a SaaS company, not an e-commerce store. A service business that wants to look like $1 million online. And here's the exact process I use to find clients for this. Open Instagram, search for local businesses in your area. Look for accounts with 500 to 5,000 followers that link to a website in their bio. Click that link. If the website looks like it was built in 2015, that's your prospect. Now here's what most people get wrong. They DM the business owner and say, I can build you a website. That message gets ignored 99 times out of 100. Nobody asked you for a website. Instead, do the work first. Take 20 minutes, build their homepage using the exact process I just showed you. Their logo, their color, their product photos, then record a 30-second Loom video showing their current site and your version on the right, side by side. Now send a DM. Hey, I saw your website and rebuilt a version of your homepage using 3D animation. Took me 20 minutes. Here's what it looks like. Drop the Loom link, then add, if you want it, it's yours. No charge for the homepage. I just want a testimonial. That's the play. You give away the homepage for free. You build a proof, then you charge for the full site. The additional pages, the custom animations, the ongoing maintenance. The free homepage is your foot in the door. Warm outreach works, but it's slow. You are limited by who follows you back and who checks their DMs. Cold outreach scales. Here's the cold version. Go to Google Maps, search for the businesses in your city, filter by category, restaurant, salons, fitness studio, open their website. If the site looks dated, add them to your list. Build 50 in an afternoon. For each one, take a screenshot of their current homepage. Build a quick mockup of what the 3D version would look like. You don't need to build a full site. A before and after screenshot is enough for the first email. The email is short, 3 sentences. I rebuilt your homepage with 3D animation. Here's a side-by-side comparison. If you're interested, I will send over the full version of free. I just need a testimonial. Personalized cold emails get 10.5% response rate. Generic ones get 1%. At 50 emails, 10.5% means 5 responses. You need 1 yes to have your first client. Pricing, $5,000 for a single page landing site. $5,000 to $10,000 for a multiple page site with multiple 3D sections. Don't make up these numbers. Anchor them to what agencies charge. A 3JS agency project costs $5,000 to $15,000 and takes weeks. You are offering the same visual quality at a fraction of price and delivering it in days. That's a value proposition. I need to be straight with you about what these sites can't do. No CMS, no blog, no e-commerce checkout, no user login. These are static sites with animations, beautiful static sites, but static. Don't pitch this to a SaaS company. Don't pitch it to an online store. Pitch it to service business that need a beautiful front door, a restaurant that wants to look premium, a dental office that wants to look modern, a real estate agent who wants their listings to pop. Being honest about the boundaries is how you build trust with clients. The ones who hear this isn't the right fit for your needs will respect you more than the ones you overpromises to, and they will refer you to the people it is right for. Let's close the loop on the numbers. Monthly cost $40, revenue per site, and $3,000 to $10,000. Build time per site 20 to 30 minutes. 1 client per month and $3,000. That's $36,000 a year from a side project you run after work. 3 clients a month at $5,000 each, and you are making more than a junior developer salary. 5 clients a month, and you are at $300,000 a year, which sounds absurd until you realize each project takes you 30 minutes to build, and the rest of your time goes to outreach and client calls. This is not a get-rich-quick pitch. It's a skill that takes 20 minutes to learn and 20 outreach messages to validate. The question is not, can I build this? You just watch me build it. The question is, will I send the 20 messages? You just watch me build a $10,000 website in 20 minutes. But building it is the easy part. Selling it is where most people get stuck. They learn the tool, build something cool, post it on social media, and then nothing. No clients, no revenue, just another project in a portfolio nobody sees. That's the gap I help people close. I run a program called the Execution Squad. It's a 4-week live system where I walk you through offer positioning, outreach sequences, closing frameworks, and scaling past your first client. No fluff, no 10-hour recorded course, live calls, real accountability, and a target of your first paying client in 28 days. I'm running a free live training where I walk you through the full system. It's called From Zero Clients to First Paying Client in 28 days. The system nobody teaches. This Friday, 11 a.m. PDT. Link is aichrislee.com/training. It's free. I will see you there.